Lauren Conrad revealed her previous ectopic pregnancy experience 4 days after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. The last few days have been hard. I've been searching for the right words, and reposting someone else's didn't feel quite right, The Hills Alum, 36, wrote on her Instagram story Tuesday. I wanted to share my own experience with life-saving reproductive care. The former reality star explained that she suffered an ectopic pregnancy 6 years ago while trying to start a family with her husband, William Tell. Due to prompt medical care, doctors saved my fallopian tubes, allowing me to have 2 healthy pregnancies, Conrad went on to write, referencing sons Liam, 4, and Charlie, 2. Yesterday I read about a woman with this same condition having her ectopic pregnancy rupture, and facing death. While waiting for treatment, the former MTV personality continued. Because her doctor was on the phone with his lawyer out of fear of losing his medical license, for using a DNC as a tool to help establish the diagnosis of an ectopic pregnancy. This is heartbreaking, sick. While talking about abortion is hard, scary and sad and confusing, Conrad urged her social media followers to listen and respect stories like hers. I hope someday we will be in a place where every woman has access to the healthcare she needs and the freedom to decide what happens in her own body, she concluded. Want more celebrity and pop culture news? Start your day with Page 6 Daily. Since the Supreme Court overturned its landmark 1973 decision Friday, many other celebrities have come forward with their abortion experiences, from Alec Baldwin to Hillary Clinton. I chose me, and I would choose me again, Alec Baldwin's 26-year-old daughter said of her decision in a TikTok video Sunday. It's your life, it's your choice. As for the One Tree Hill Alum, 39, she wrote via Instagram Tuesday that Roe v. Wade protected her right to have miscarriages without scrutiny as she and Jeffrey Dean Morgan struggled to conceive their now 4-year-old daughter, George.